Fabulous win by her, Jeremy. Calculating the points, I can see Michael Dyke there telling her, if you break the record, you should be the gold medal winner. And that was what happened.
All right, so back to the track and the 4x100m relays. The Class 2 boys final, Calabar 40.98 coming in. They'll be running from lane 8. Woolmer's boys, they're lined up in lane 7. Jamaica College 40.97. Winners at the Gibson McCook relays. Edwin Allen, winners at the Central Championships, they line up in lane 5. Kingston College 40.97, their best this season at the corporate area championships. St. Jago, the Central Championships, who stood atop that podium, 42.14 coming in to this final. St. George's, they are lined up in lane 2, 42.27 in qualifying for this final. And very technical, they'll be operating from lane 1. They come in with a time of 42.58. Kingston College, the number 1 seeded team, but along with Jamaica College as well, as both teams have ran identical time of 40.97 coming into champs. And this one expected to be a humdinger. Calabar out there in lane 8. Don't count them out either. 40.98 at the corporate championships.
Preseason favorites, but I think Jamaica College, they have been doing well with the relay exchanges, so let's see.
Daniel, your thoughts quickly?
KC will run well. Jamaica College, they have the Kai Kelly, the 100-meter champion.
Indeed they do. So they head to their blocks, and that's Edwin Allen's screen there. They will be running from lane 5. So it's Vertec in 1, St. George's in 2, St. Jago 3, KC 4, Edwin Allen 5, Jamaica College 6, Wilmer's boys in 7, Calabar out there in lane 8. Record for the event 40.29, set back in 2016 by Calabar, sent off. First time of asking a clean break. Calabar moving well in lane 8. Also, Wilmer's boys are traveling nicely. Jamaica College also going to work along with Kingston College. Edwin Allen also right there at the second changeover. It's a Calabar who are well out front and running a stirring leg there in lane 8. It's Calabar on the outside who are moving well. Kingston College now taking aim. Here comes Kai Kelly of Jamaica College, the 100-meter champion, taking them home to victory. Jamaica College does it. Left it late, but they take gold here in the Class 2 boys event. Kai Kelly, remember the name. The Class 2 100-meter champion. Won in Class 3 last year, 40.32. Just outside the record of 40.29. So Jamaica College celebrating, taking gold here in the Class 2 boys 4x100-meter relay as we look back at the replay.
Jamaica College, a great start. They have been doing extremely well with the baton changes throughout this championships. And as we look at the first exchange, not as smooth as they would want, but Calabar flying on the outside with Kingston College on the inside with Edwin Allen doing well. Again, Calabar exchanges on the outside, but a fantastic third leg running by Jamaica College athlete. The first exchange was made on the anchor leg by Kingston College, but Kai Kelly with beautiful sprinting, fantastic technique, running through to give Jamaica College a very fast time of 40.32 seconds.
It seemed as if Daniel, if I'm not mistaken, might have just limped through there in the last few meters. Might have been limping or overstriding, but came across the line a little bit.
We saw it in the 200 meter at the end too.
So 40.32 for Jamaica College taking the gold. And Calabar 40.42 and Kingston College getting the bronze.